Hello everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again. So today I will ask you some question and try to answer every question. It's very important. It's very important every question. So try to answer every question. Pause your computer, pause your iPad, pause your mobile phone and answer the question. It's very important. So let's start. Our first question is, where is Jessica going? In this previous video, I uploaded the previous video, and that was a mini story about Jessica, and I told the dialogue about the Jessica. So today, I'm asking you some question about Jessica. Where is Jessica going? You can make this question different way. You can change this verb one, and you can make another question. Where is Jessica eating? Where is Jessica learning? Where is Jessica talking? Where is Jessica playing? In such a way, you can make a lot of question. Okay. So what is the answer of this question? Answer is, Jessica is going to Chattogram. Where is Jessica going? Jessica is going to Chattogram. Okay, this is the answer. Next question is, why is Jessica going there? We can say, changing this verb, why is Jessica eating there? Why is Jessica learning there? Why is Jessica making there? Why is Jessica playing there? Right? We can make a lot of question by changing. So this answer will be that the question is, why is Jessica going there? Answer is, Jessica is going there for spending her free time. Okay. So where is Jessica from? Jessica from United Kingdom. Where is Jessica from? Where is Rakib from? Where is Ritu from? Where is Arif from? Arif from Bangladesh. Jessica from United Kingdom. Ritu from India. Anything you can say for making answer. Okay. Is Shima from Dhaka? Is Rakib from Dhaka? Is Ritu from Dhaka? Or is Shima from Comilla? Is Shima from USA? Is Shima from Canada? Anything, any question you can make easily by changing. It's very important question and answer part, and you can practice in your reading room like this. Okay. So, is Shima from Dhaka? No, she isn't from Dhaka. She came from Comilla, or she came from Chattogram. She came from United Kingdom. It's your wish. Okay. Where is Shima going? Shima is going to Chattogram. Where is Rakib going? Rakib is going to Chattogram. Where is Arif going? Arif is going to Mymensingh. Where is Ritu going? Ritu is going to play. Okay, like this you have to make so many question and answer. What is the next question? Next question is, when is Shima's train leaving? Shima's train will leave in 10 minutes. Shima's train will leave in 20 minutes. Shima's train leave in with 30 minutes, with half an hour. Anything you can say as you wish. So next question is, where are Shima and Jessica? So Shima and Jessica were in the station that time. They met with each other. So you can say that Shima and Jessica were in the station. Okay, when they met. Okay, so in such a way you can practice in your reading room. You can make a lot of question in such a way, with simple story, with simple dialogue, with the simple article, and you can practice as well in your reading room. If you do that within short time, you can learn English, and it will be save your memory because it's so easy. So you are in beginner level right now, so you have to learn at the first time easy things and easy topic. You have to learn easy topic because you are beginner life, you are beginner. So try to make sentence, try to make question in easy way. Definitely you can practice English. Never give up, don't upset, and listen every day 5 hours. You can success definitely. Allah will help you a lot. Okay, thank you so much, my dear viewers. If you find this video was little bit helpful for you, so never forget to subscribe this YouTube channel and to share with your friends. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.